How to build your 8-foot Heathcote glamping kitchen. Please ensure you have the following items. Make sure you have a solid and level base for your kitchen. Place down the kitchen base. Place the first side support piece for the countertop. Ensure the groove is on the back. Ensure it is flush and secure with 2 3-inch screws into the base. Repeat with the other side support piece. Place the front assembly and secure with 5 3-inch screws. Place the center countertop support piece. Secure with 6 1.5-inch screws into the pre-drilled holes. Place the first back wall stave. Ensure it is flush and the tongue is facing upwards. Secure to the side pieces with 2 3-inch screws. Place the next back wall stave. Tap it down so the tongue is tight into the groove. Secure to the side pieces with 2 3-inch screws. Repeat the process for the next 3 staves. The final back wall stave will have the tongue covered and be flat at the top. Secure it to the side pieces with 2 3-inch screws. Secure the center countertop support piece to the back wall staves with 4 1.5-inch screws into the pre-drilled holes. Place the countertop and tap it down. Secure it with 2 1.5-inch screws into the pre-drilled holes on the center and side support pieces, and 4 2.5-inch screws into the front piece. Place a side wall panel and back wall panel. Ensure the side labeled top is on top. Secure the back wall to the side wall with 4 coarse thread lag screws into the pre-drilled holes. It may help to pre-drill holes into the wall panel with a small drill bit first. Place the next back wall panel. Ensure the side labeled top is on top. Secure to the previous back wall panel with 4 connector bolts and cap nuts into the pre-drilled holes. Place another side wall panel. Ensure the side labeled top is on top. Secure the back wall to the side wall with 4 coarse thread lag screws into the pre-drilled holes. It may help to pre-drill holes into the wall panel with a small drill bit first. Place the roof panel. Ensure the narrow board is towards the front. Tap it down and secure it to the sidewalls with 4 coarse thread lag screws into the pre-drilled holes. Place the front panel. Ensure it is centered and secure the hinges to the roof panel with 6 1.5-inch screws. Let down the front panel and tap out the wall panels until it is flush. Unpack the gas struts and install the mounting brackets. Mount the strut support boards to the wall panels. Ensure the top of the support is 11 inches from the countertop and secure with 3 2.5-inch screws. Open the front panel so it is 77 inches from the ground. Measure 8 inches over on the front panel and secure the thick side of the gas strut with 3 1.5-inch screws. Measure 4 inches over on the strut support board and secure the thin side of the gas strut with 5 1.5-inch screws. Repeat the process on the other side. Place the inner side trim piece on the countertop. Secure to the sidewall panel with 2 2.5-inch screws. Repeat on the other side. Place the first inner rear trim piece on the countertop. Secure to the back wall panel with 3 2.5-inch screws. Repeat with the second inner rear trim piece. Place the front trim pieces. Secure each to the sidewall panel with 3 2.5-inch screws. Unpack a cupboard door latch. Connect the 2 pieces and place it in the cupboard, flush with the door, and a 1/2 inch in from the end of the door. Mark the screw holes. Pull apart the 2 latch pieces and secure them to the marks with 2 1/2-inch screws. Repeat the process with the other cupboard doors. Now place the sink upside down in your desired location and trace it out. Make another line a 1/2 inch inside the previous line. Drill out a starter hole for the jigsaw. Cut out the inner line. Place the sink in the hole. Slide on 2 mounting clips on each side and tighten. Place the drain into the sink and tighten. Now place the shelf support brackets onto the shelf. Ensure they are 5 inches from the end and flush with the back. Secure to the shelf with the 2 shorter screws. Repeat with the second shelf support bracket. Place the shelf in your desired location and ensure it is level. Secure each support bracket to the back wall panel with the 2 longer screws. Repeat the process with the second shelf. Place the spice rack in your desired location and ensure it is level. Secure to the side wall panel with 4 1-inch screws. Now place a trim piece over the seam between the side and back wall panels. Secure with 8 1¼ inch staples or finish nails. Repeat the process with the other 2 wall seams. Your assembly is now complete.